bag lovers! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review the new Rory medium satchel from Kate Spade. I was super excited when I heard about this bag because finally they have an outlet version of the famous Margaux medium satchel from the retail. I am also excited to see what are the changes. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! The Rory medium satchel is lighter than Margaux because it's made of Saffiano leather, has no metal feet, and has no luggage tag. The bag form is very similar to Margaux but uses silver hardware. It also comes with removable and adjustable strap. Logo is foil embossed and has dome zipper compartment too. Plus, it's super spacious, perfect for everyday use. I love how they added magnetic closure unlike the Margaux, which is just open. Inside comes with zip and slip pockets too, but no more Kate Spade pin logo. Let's see what fits inside. Told ya, you can really put so much more. I love how they look casual yet professional. Gorgeous, functional, and fashionable. Something that will excite you to go back to office. That's it! What I like about Kate Spade having outlet versions for their famous retail models is that you get to enjoy the same luxury and same beauty at affordable prices. If you want to watch my bag review about the Margaux satchel, I will be dropping the link on the description box so you can compare the changes. What do you think about Rory? Leave your comments down below. Again, thank you so much for joining me today, and if you like this no frills, just what you need bag review, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am Pixie and see you on our next episode. Bye! Love bags? Love Lucy. Follow us and don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey bag lovers, for more bag reviews like this, please don't forget to follow us on YouTube. That is Love Lucy channel. So see you there.